Assalamualaikum people, welcome to Sharif Academy. Today I am going to tell you about subtraction using 9's and 10's complement. In the previous video I have explained 9's and 10's complement. For this 9's and 10's complement, these are having steps to it. Find 9's complement to the given 2-digit number. The note is here is the question given here is of only two numbers, not of 3 numbers and 4 numbers. And the second point is add the first number to the output given to it, that is from step 1. And the third statement is in that the first bullet point is if we get the intermediate result as positive, then add +1. If we get negative to it, then again do 9's complement to the intermediate result, then we get the same answer for 9's and 10's complement. Now I am here with the questions. First we are going to do here with first question. 6428 minus 3409. Here the steps. What you are going to do, find 9's complement to the given 2-digit number, second digit, that means second digit number. Here it is the second digit number. First write all the 9's, then write as 3409 below it, then subtract it. 9 minus 9 0, 9 minus 0 9, 9 minus 4 5, 9 minus 3 6. Then here the first digit number is present here, then add to this 9's complement result. 6428. Here you have to plus it. 8, 9 plus 2 11, 5 plus 5 10, 6 plus 6 12, plus 1 13. Then here we have to understand is here carry is 1, so it is positive. Then add +1 to the given last digit number. Here 8 plus 1 9, the given same as 301. Here this is the answer for 9's complement. Okay, now for 10's complement what we are going to do is same as 9's complement, but some of the changes are here. This is 9s, this is 10s. Same as the first two steps of 9's complement. Then first 9999, then 3409. Same here of it. 6590. Then what you are going to do here is it is a 10's complement. Add +1 to the given digit number. Then here 1 plus 0 1, 9 5 6. Here is the answer. Then other number is present here, that is 6428. Then add to it 6428. 8 plus, then here result the number 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 2 11, 5 plus 5 10, 6 plus 6 13. Here it is also carry 1, that is positive. Here you can see this is also 10's complement. Here what you have to remind here is the answer for 9's and 10's complement are same. Have you seen it? For 9's complement it is 3019, and for 10's complement it is also 3019. And I am here with the other question, that is 1631 minus 745. If you didn't understand the first question, then see here briefly with second question. I am here to explain again the second question as the first question. Now here what you are going to do, first write the all lines. What you are going to do here is do the 9's complement to the given second digit number 745. Here the 3-digit number is there, but you can add 0 to here to the front. Here what you are going to do is first you have to subtract these numbers. 9 minus 5 is 4, 9 minus 4 is 5, 9 minus 7 is 2, 9 minus 0 9. Now here what are you going to do? Then add the first digit number to it. 1631. Then the intermediate result is 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 6, 5 plus 3 8, 6 plus 2 8, 9 plus 1 10. This is the intermediate result. This is the intermediate result. Now here what you are going to do? Here 4 digits are present, but the here carry is 1. That means it is positive. Then what you are going to do? Add plus 1 to it. 8 plus 5 1. 5 plus 1 6. Then same as 8 8 0. This is the answer for 9's complement. Okay. Now I am going to do for 10's complement. 10's complement here is same as 9's complement of the first two steps. 7 4 5. You have to do minus 9 2 5 4. Then here what are you going to do in 10's complement is you have to add plus 1 to the last number, that is 4 plus 1 5 5 2 9. Then you are what going to do here? You are getting the answer as 9255. Then here in the question it is having 1631, that is first digit number. Then add here to it 1631. It is 5 plus 1 6, 5 plus 3 8, 6 plus 2 8, 9 plus 1 10. And here you are going to see is it is positive 1, that is carry 1. Then leave it. Then the answer is 886. You can see here that the 9's and 10's complement answer is as same. Do you understand it? Now I am here to tell you the other question that is very important to us, that is 0125 minus 1800. Here what are you going to do? Same for 9's complement. What are you going to do here is first do the 9's complement to it. First write the question 1800, that is second digit. Then add 9 to the upper of the numbers. Then here what are you going to do? Here you are going to subtract, that is 9 minus 0 9, 9 minus 0 9, 9 minus 8 1, 9 minus 1 8. Then what are you going to do here is, then here the question is was 0125 minus 1800. Then add 0125 to 1899, that is right below the number, that is 0125. Then here you are going to add here, that is 9 plus 5 14, 9 10 11 12, 1 2 3 8. Here you are getting the answer as 8324. But what you are going to get the answer as 5 digit number, you are going to get answer as 5 digit number, but you are having as 8324, that is 4 digit number. In the previous question what you have seen it here, in this question you are getting as 13018. Here you are having 5 digits. The one we have taken as carry, that is positive, but here we don't get any carry, so that you have to take as 0. You have to consider as 0, that means it is negative. For negative what are you going to do? Then again do it and again do this number for 9's complement, that is do again 9's complement to it, that is 8324. You are getting the answer to it. 9 minus 4 5, 9 minus 2 7, 9 minus 3 how much? 6, 9 minus 8 1. You are getting the answer as 1679, but you have to keep here the symbol as minus, because we are getting the carry as negative, so we have to keep the answer, so we have to keep the minus symbol to it. So this is the answer for 9's complement. For 10's complement what are you going to do? Same as 9's complement, but you are having at last as different steps. 10's complement, what are you going to do? Same, first do 9's complement to it. 9999, first write 9999, then write 1800 or write 1800 on a upper part you can write 9999 so that it can't be mistake to you. Here you are going to do subtraction. 9 minus 0 9, 9 minus 0 9, 9 minus 8 1, 9 minus 1 8. Here what are you going to do? Then it is tens complement. Then what are you going to do? You are going to do as add plus 1 to it. 9 plus 1 10, 9 plus 1 10, 1 plus 1 2. Here it is 8. Answer is 8200. That is 8200. In the given question you are having 0125. Add to it. Never forget to keep plus minus symbol to it, or else you don't get marks in your exam. 5 plus 0 5, 2 3 8 is the answer as 8325. Okay, but here we don't get as 5 digit number, then treat it as 0, so it is negative. For negative, what are you going to do? Do the 9th complement to the given answer. 9999 8325. For the 9th complement you have to do subtraction. 5 minus 9 minus 5 4, 9 minus 2, what's the answer? 7. 8 9 minus 3 6, 9 minus 8 1. Okay, now it is the 10th complement. What are you going to do? Add plus 1 to it. 1675. This is the final answer for 10th complement, and this is the answer for 9th complement. At last you are saying here is 1675 and 1675 to both 9th and 10th complement are same. In the next video I am going to tell you about ones and twos complement. If you like it, please share it and subscribe to Sharif Academy. Thank you.